If your camera is missing from Device Manager in Windows 10 or 11, it usually means the driver is disabled, hidden, or not installed. In this video, I'll show you how to fix camera missing from Device Manager. So first, go ahead and click on Show Hidden Device on your Device Manager. So open Device Manager by clicking on Win-X on your keyboard and then selecting Device Manager from here. And then in here, go ahead and click on the view button at the top left of your screen, and then enable show hidden devices. Now expand cameras or imaging devices. If your camera appears grayed out, right click and click on enable device. Now, another way is to scan for hardware changes. So on the device manager, click on action, which you'll find at the top left of your screen, and then select scan for hardware changes. So in here, look for the scan for hardware pages option. This forces Windows to detect the camera again. And lastly is to reinstall camera driver. So to do that, click on WinI on your keyboard, and then on your settings, head over into the Bluetooth and devices, and then from here, go ahead and look for cameras. If missing, go to your laptop's manufacturer website and download the latest camera driver, install and restart your PC. And that is how you can basically fix camera missing from Device Manager.